Cut it off.
Happy Valentine's Day. I'm Andrea Miller with the Lincoln County Chamber of Commerce. Can you say Happy Valentine's Day?
Happy Valentine's Day!
This is my sous chef and my grandson, Jack. He's going to be my assistant today. Hi, everyone. Oh, and Jack's got some muscles. Today we're going to make a kid-friendly recipe, yummy Valentine ladybugs. Yeah. So this is the things that we're going to need, and Jack's going to show you what they are. First, we need wax paper, and this is to help us keep our kitchen nice and clean. The main ingredient, there you go. Thank you, sir. The main ingredient is going to be the Oreo.
Sure.
Oh, amazing. Did you find one? Yummy. Or a sandwich cookie if you can't find the Oreo. We also are going to need some candied eyes. You can find those at your local grocery store. And then we need some red sugar sprinkles. And optional would be the red color dye gel that we may use. You can use vanilla or chocolate, or we're going to try to dye some of our vanilla red. First, we want to cover our work area like Jack has done for us, so we keep everything neat. First thing we're going to do is, Jack, could you take out maybe like 8 Oreo cookies?
Sure.
And while he's doing that, this is what the white chocolate looks like in a bowl. We're going to put this in the microwave about 1.5 minutes. And when it comes out of the microwave, it's going to be liquefied and soft just like this. And we have 8. Awesome. And now Jack's going to do me a big favor. We decided we would like our ladybugs to be red like a ladybug. So we don't need much. So just a teensy squirt. Because we can always add more. And I'm going to stir. And you can see that it's starting to turn pink. Now we can decide to do pink, or we could do more drops and do red. What would you rather do?
More drops.
More drops?
I do red.
How about 2 more drops?
Okay.
Okay, perfect. And then we should have a nice red color. And we're going to stir that up. And it's great how you don't need too much. Whoops. That's probably all we're going to need. And that'll make us a nice, pretty ladybug color. Now, we hope that you've already washed your hands, so they're clean. And so our icing is just the color that we would like.
Yes. So
Jack, I'd like you to take maybe one of those cookies and dip it in about halfway. Get it all covered. There you go. And then lay it on the
sheet.
Lay it on the sheet there. Can you do another one? That is perfect. Oh my, you're doing such a great job. Now tell everyone how old you are, Jack.
I'm 4.
So if you're 4, maybe even 3, you could probably do this project. What do you think?
Yes.
Has it been hard so far?
No.
No. Now, what if we start decorating the ladybugs? Let's do one more, so we'll have 4 done. Now, we'll need to put the eyes on. And how many eyes should we put on each ladybug?
2.
2. Perfect, perfect. So you'll place the eyes. They need to be just on the edge of the frosting so they stick. All right, we'll scoochy that up just a little bit. Perfect. Very nice.
See.
Oh, I like that one. And you place the eyes in a different place. Yeah, you want to go ahead and start doing the other ones?
No, eyeball.
Let's put 2 on each one.
Eyeball.
It doesn't need a mouth.
Need the eyeball.
Okay, let's put eyeballs on the other ones, okay? Can you do that for me?
Sure. Oh, I guess.
Whoop, you'll have to lick that off. Oh dear. Okay, now let's try to do another eyeball. And this is what Jack's first one is looking like. But we're not done. There's still more to do. Can you put that other eyeball on there?
Can it?
Uh-oh.
Oopsie.
Collateral damage.
Can it?
You can. Can you put that other eye on there for me? Now, the next part of the ladybug is the shiny glitter. Now this is edible. This is edible red sugar. So we gently shake it just like that. No worries, because we have our wax paper. So if we made a mess, it's not a problem. And I'm gonna Shake this off a little bit. Jack, can you show them your finished product? Now, if you want to set that in the refrigerator, it'll harden up a little bit, but you think it's ready to eat?
No.
Well, I think it is. This one's ready to eat.
Yeah.
Would you like to tell everybody what they taste like?
Hmm?
All right, give it a nice big bite there. Tell everybody how good it is.
It tastes as good as a cookie.
Yep. Thank you all so much for letting us entertain you with our cookie recipe today, and we hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. So long from Andrea and Jack. So Jack, tell me, what would you like to be when you grow up?
A police officer.
Police officer. And why would you want to be a police officer?
Because I like police officers a lot.
You like them a lot? And what do police officers do?
They arrest bad guys.
Okay. Do they also help people too?
Yes.
And rescue kitties and all that kind of good stuff?
Firefighters rescue kitties.
Here's a towel for you. Now tell me what else. What's your favorite color these days?
Green.
Green. And why green?
Because green is my favorite color.
Oh, okay. Well, that's a good enough reason. Let's see. What's your favorite activity to do? Everything to play?
Where's my toys?
Play with your toys? What's your favorite toy?
My police officer toys.
Okay. And what do you do when you go outside? What kind of things do you do outside?
Well, I really like to play baseball, so I play baseball outside.
Yes. And I heard that you just moved to the area. Do you like living in Kentucky?
Mm-hmm.
What's your favorite thing about Kentucky so far?
That I live near you.
Oh, I love to hear that answer. And I live near you.
That is.
Let's see what else. How do you like being a big brother?
A lot.
A lot. What's your favorite thing?
Taking care of Ellie.
Oh, you are the best big brother. How old is Ellie?
1.
1. She's almost 2 though, I think. Are you helping to plan her birthday party?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what the theme is going to be? Not yet?
Yeah.
Maybe we could make some ladybug cookies for her birthday.
Yeah.
Would that be fun? Because I'm pretty sure Ellie likes pink.
She does.
And she would
You
love
can
these
have one?
cookies. I would love one. But I think I'm going to have mine with milk.
But I want that mine with milk too.
Okay.
I want it done too.
All right.
Let's
Thanks
make another
again.
one.
Shall we say thanks again?
Thanks again.
Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's.
Love and kisses from Jack and Andrea.